Hi friends, welcome to my channel and I hope that all of you are doing well. Today, as you can already understand by seeing my makeup, that yes, I have done my makeup look inspired from Durga Puja, which is already knocking at the doors, and I really love doing my Indian makeup look. Today I have accessorized by wearing these jhumkas and also this pair of golden bangles. I absolutely feel that during Durga Puja it's very important to wear your bold red lipstick and your red bindi, because that is the sign of power. May Ma Durga bless you all with very good health and good life. So without much further ado, let's start today's video. So for the primer, I'm using this Smashbox Primerizer, which is a moisture based primer, and I'm using this all over my face. For the eyebrows, I'm using this Anastasia Beverly Hills Deep Brow Pomade, and this is in the shade Ebony. This is my all-time favorite brow kit. For the foundation, I'm using Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation, and I'm in the shade Cream Beige. I'm using this foundation as I love this so much, and moreover, we take so many pictures during the festive season. This foundation is absolutely apt to take a lot of pictures, as this doesn't give any kind of white flashback on the photos. For the concealer, I'm using this MAC Studio Fix concealer, and I'm in the shade NC30. I'm blending this with my Real Technique sponge. It's a damp sponge, and this really helps to blend your foundation or your concealer so very well. In order to lock everything, I'm using this Colorpop No Filter Setting Powder, and this is in the shade Banana. This really helps to set your concealer or your foundation very well. For the bronzer, I'm using this Hoola Bronzer from Benefit. I really love this cool tone bronzer. This really gives a kind of depth onto your face. And for the blush on, I'm using this Wet n Wild blush in the shade Apricot in the middle. It has little shiny particles, which I really love it because it also acts as a kind of highlighter. If you don't want to apply highlighter separately, you can opt for this blush. Now for the shadow, I'm taking this Huda Beauty Amethyst Obsessions palette, and at first I'm taking this matte red shadow, and I'm just placing this all over my crease. All the shades are so pigmented, and the color combination, I absolutely love it. Next I'm taking this shimmer shade, and I'm placing this all over my eyelid. Next I'm taking this violet shade, and with the help of a crease brush, I am just placing this at the end of my eyelid just to create that depth. And now with a clean fluffy brush, I am blending all very well so that the shadows look seamless. Now for the eyeliner, I'm taking this Fenty Beauty eyeliner, and I am doing a wing eyeliner. For my lower waterline, I'm using this Physicians Formula Violet Eye Pencil. I'm using this mascara from the brand called Number 7, and it instantly gives that volume of false lashes. Now I'm using the same shade which I've used for my crease, and I am just using this on my lower waterline. I'm taking this peach shade, and I'm using this on my inner corner of my eyes. Now I'm taking this highlighter from Artiste Couture, and you can see the pigmentation. It's such a nice pretty color. It instantly gives that glow onto your face. Here you can see that. Now comes the star of the show, that is this MAC lipstick, and this is a cream lipstick which is in the shade Viva Glam 1. This is also my all-time favorite. Now in order to set everything, I'm using this makeup setting spray from Cover FX. I'm spraying this all over my face so that my makeup lasts for a very long time, which is much required during this festive season. I've added on to some falsies and also added this little simple accessories. And yes, as you can see that with that red bindi and this red lipstick, you can turn your makeup into a very glam one. So do let me know in the comment section that how did you find this makeup. I absolutely love doing this, absolutely enjoy doing this kind of makeup. So this was all in today's video, and I hope that you guys have liked it, and if so, then please hit on the like button and do consider subscribing my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon in my next video. Till then, all of you take care. Bye.